tous les sens interdits, j'entends tout ce qu'il faut, les vrais, les faux et les non-dits. Je suis une fille et je plante mes talons aiguilles en plein dans ton mille.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Catching Up with Kike. Before we go too far, please like, subscribe, comment, share, better share, and don't forget to watch the ads. Please. He agrees with me. Before we go too far, literally right now, like this video right now. I'm not continuing until you guys like. I see you there sitting there avoiding your phone. Click on the like button, okay? Please. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being loyal. If you're new here, you are definitely gonna love it here. This is a very non-conformist type of vlog. I think you'll like it here if that's your sort of vibe. I say whatever, do whatever, you know. Yeah, a lot of things I say are not okay. That's the vibe. Need I say more? That is the vibe of my vlog. So if you like it a little bit cuckoo and crazy, please do hit that subscribe button, okay? Oh, baby K. Oh, my son. Oh, my God. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm going to quickly do a grocery unpacking with you guys. I'm going to try these for the first time. I have never had these in my life, but they just seemed very interesting. Custard creams, bourbon creams, coconut creams. I'm not sure about the coconut. Digestive creams. I know I love that. Orange creams and lemon creams. I know I love lemon creams. Right, so I got some of that. Creamy coleslaw. I went to African Shop today, as you guys saw. I was at African Shop. That's where I got this from. And I bought this at African Shop as well. Cerelac. I got Sam. Iwisa Sam from African Shop. I bought trotters. Cow foot, they call it, but it's just trotter really. I got trotters, beef trotters at the African Shop. They still don't have South African spices, so I got this seasoning cubes. Musama, what's Otzi? And then this is not from African Shop now. I'm done with the African Shop stuff. Got a salad. Fruit shoots for somebody's son. Hey, wait a minute. Stop it. I'm going to cook with these pots. I'm going to put them here. Mesh. He drank this on the way. He ate that on the way. Aria butter sauce. Hey, aria butter. Arriabata sauce.
Of her feet, teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire.
Okay, that is it. I'm about to cook. I'm about to make pap and the beef trotter. I'm gonna mix it in some tomato relish. Oh my god. So let me get to it. I have a headache, so I don't even want to talk too much because of my headache. Let me just get to it. Let me get to cooking.
Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
Hello? Hi guys. I was meant to go out today. I won't go out, but leave the house and meet this lady that I met a few weeks back at a church. But our times keep clashing. Like when I'm available, she's not. When she's available, I'm not. So it's kind of hard to do the meetup. Like we're supposed to meet today, but my breakfast time in my home doesn't coincide with her breakfast time, so it's a mess really. So I told her, listen, whenever you're free, come whenever you're free today, ask me, check in on me, and then if I'm free, we'll go to the park and have a picnic, whatever. Yeah, come. You'll always be my baby. Do-do-do. Boom. So yeah, that's how I was getting ready, trying to look decent. I was just gonna go out with no makeup the way I am right now. So since I'm no longer going there, I'm thinking I need to cook. Let me defrost the meat. Let me make my son some lunch. I don't know, I was thinking I'm gonna have mash with tomato relish and some chicken and a salad, a Greek salad. I put my avo out so it can get some heat because it was in the fridge. I put it out so it can get some heat, and hopefully today it will be soft and ripe enough for us to enjoy. I really hope so, because I've been craving avo. Oh my god, I don't know why I bought avo that was so unripe. Whoa, baby, you are okay. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. You're gonna guys, English is dealing with me. You guys are gonna be with me while I prepare some food, and I need to go to the pharmacy. I don't know if I'll make it. I keep postponing the pharmacy thing because, guys, it takes so much strength for me to leave this house. I don't know why. I generally don't like leaving the house. Like, sometimes if I really have to leave the house, like, I want to scream at the thought of it. Like, I don't know what's the reason, but yeah, I'm so dry. I just need to put on some lotion. No way, no man. Yes, I just need to put on some lotion and then let's go cook. B said I talk too much. Yo, speaking of B, yesterday she's like to me, let me fix this camera. It doesn't seem clear. Is that better? I don't know. Calling the office. Is that better? I don't know. So speaking of B, yesterday she's like to me, hey, have you sent the package being her what do you call it, her don't do it.
Do you think, Woof. Yes, popcorn, yes, popcorn, yes.
Oh god, I am such a weirdo. I almost did that trending thing. I wanted to switch off the streak. Now then I was like, should I do it? No, I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, she was asking me if I sent her package because UPS keeps sending her these emails, and I know those emails. They send me those emails as well. It's like a scam email whereby I think there's a link you need to click, and then they'll tell you that you need to pay customs fees and then whatever, but the whole thing is a scam. So she just wanted to verify with me if it's me who used UPS to send her some stuff or what's going on. So I told them, like, no, I haven't sent yet. But basically that conversation actually reminded me that I actually bought her a gift. Guys, so many things have been happening in my life. I forgot. Honestly speaking, I forgot that I bought this gift. Jehovah, I forgot. Hey key. I was like it's been sitting up there on top of my closet in a plastic, and I haven't sent the gift. And I remember why I didn't immediately send the gift. It's because I wanted to add on to the gift. I felt like that handbag is not enough. Like, I want to add a few more goodies and put them inside the handbag, like little small stuff that I like using and that I think she might like using as well, inside the handbag, like a, what is it called, like a basket. Hey, English guys is dealing with me today. Am I okay? Giga, are you fine? I don't know the answer to that, but yes, the basket thing. That's what I was trying to do, but the basket is a handbag instead of a normal basket. So yeah, I need to fill the handbag up and then send it to her. But I'm also thankful that she reminded me, because I had forgotten. I had forgotten. It had slipped my mind, honey. Oh, I'm hungry. That's what's wrong. Because I can feel like, I'm like, no man, I don't feel like myself. Something is wrong. Like, something is irritating me. Even as I'm talking, something has just been annoying my life, but I couldn't figure out or pinpoint what's wrong. I'm hungry. That's what's wrong. I need to go eat. Okay, let me wrap this up. I'll come back and we'll have a conversation after I'm done eating, because me and food, honey. Woo. No. Okay. But it's not as clean as this one. Like, this one is so clean, and then that one is just like ghetto. It's so ghetto, but it's fine. Okay, it's not fine, but what can I say? I'm not going anywhere anyway.
Vula mehlu jonge noba akululanga takazivukile boma bumanga izakhono zakho neziphiwo zakho azuphelelanga boma bumanga sizokhanyisela ibe mhlophe indlela izophumilanga izandikhumbuze boma bumanga.
Me move. You can't stand on top of my map. Yeah, why not? Ay. Huh? Yay!
Now listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen. Hear your father. His lies he told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you. Keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take it. Keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I meant it more, girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain. You're so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down, come here right now. Don't let me down, come here right now. Grow up and face it, don't keep me waiting. You love me how you love me, then just say it. Oh.
If there's anybody who could know what the issue is, please can you help me? Because I've tried to Google and Google is not helping. These drawers, man. Okay, now I've fixed where those people broke it. I've fixed that part. But even from the time I installed these drawers, they don't close completely. They get stuck in the middle. And they don't close. You see? So they can open, but they won't close. Or flip. If you know what could be the issue, please can you help me out? Because wow, babes, this is annoying. And Khanya keeps on taking stuff out and breaking my makeup because they don't close. So it's easy access for him.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Girl, what's the hold up? Come take me over. You came the closest, we should be closer. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed.